Hello everyone, Ruchi here from Ruchi's Cafeteria and I'm back with my another DT project for Expressions Craft. This time I have created an easy canvas art for beginners of mixed media. If you are new to mixed media art and don't know how and where to start, then this video gonna be helpful to you. First, I just grabbed my canvas and applied Expressions Craft texture paste along with wave stencils. This Expressions Craft texture paste is one essential product for your mixed media projects. You can use this paste on variety of surface or just apply with stencils to create different designs. You can mix this paste with chalk or metallic paints as well. Expressions Craft has wide range of stencils and paints and you can find the online store link in the description box. Now I have picked some seashells in different sizes from my stash and gluing them on my canvas using Expressions Craft art gel medium. This gel medium is another must-have supply to your mixed media art. It takes a bit time in drying, but once dry it gives permanent sealing to your art. These gel mediums are lightweight, water-based acrylic medium and you can mix with paints, pigments or inks to create your custom paints. I have used some black tiny stones too, but you can use any junk piece from your stash to create your art. It can be anything like a nail, chain, buttons, keys, or old coins, bottle caps, or used brushes, or anything which is not useful anymore but can be upcycled to a beautiful art. You just need some basic mixed media supplies which are available at Expressions Craft store at reasonable and very affordable prices. Now I am adding some deco stones which are available in 4 sizes and one of my most favorite mixed media supply from Expressions Craft. The quality of these stones are superb and they can be used to add texture effect to your mixed media projects, and you can use it as they are or can mix with Expressions Craft chalk paints, sprinkle mist, gesso and all. Once they dried, I have applied deep teal blue sprinkle mist from Expressions Craft along with water. I used my heat gun tool for quick drying and now I'm applying Expressions Craft Hunter Green metallic paint on shells to give a shimmery and shiny look. I picked curcumin yellow chalk paint from Expressions Craft to give some more shades to my canvas. When everything dried, I took a cardboard piece from Expressions Craft and applied Holiday Gold metallic paint on that. These metallic paints are super shimmery and must-have product for your art and craft projects. Expressions Craft has so many beautiful shades of these metallic paints. You can find the online store link in the description box of this video. Just stamped some images using black archival ink and adhered all the elements and flowers together on my canvas. Lastly, sprinkled some MX Fairy Dust Powder from Expressions Craft. That's it for today. I will come up with more crafty videos, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. You can find all the supplies of Expressions Craft online store. Link is mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching. See ya.